I thank you very much for supporting this documentary. And it's all your money. It's all your funds which made this possible, and all of you who funded it exactly about a year ago are here to watch the results which came through.
In 2015, we did a survey throughout the United States. We asked close to 1,800 Americans in a national survey, and we wanted to know how many of them know about Guru Nanak, the founder of the Sikh faith, the fifth largest religion. Surprisingly, what we found is 0% of Americans know who Guru Nanak is. Who had talked about woman empowerment 550 years ago, talked about the environment, talked about equality, talked about interfaith respect and harmony, and yet nobody knows about Guru Nanak. So that's the reason why this documentary has been made. And we are very fortunate to bring it to Sacramento. So please give yourself a round of applause for supporting this wonderful effort. But this documentary, we must remember, this is made for non-Sikhs, those who have no clue about Guru Nanak. And it had to be made in an interesting manner so we can keep the attention of the audience towards the documentary.
I am deeply honored that Dr. DeLong invited me to the Sacramento premiere of our nationwide public television documentary on interfaith understanding. If you must know, I haven't slept for days. In the middle of the night, I wake up and say in my limited Punjabi, "Ay vey, what about if they don't like the film? This might be my last screening." I am privileged that Dr. Singh had the trust and the confidence in me and my fellow filmmaker and son, Adam Krell, to get it right. And words cannot express my gratitude to those of you who helped us to make this documentary happen. So please enjoy Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, life and legacy.
The central tenet of his philosophy, one universal creator God, truth and eternal is the name. God is one and is everywhere. Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, life and legacy.
My turban! I never wore one.
I love the opportunity. I never wore one.
I love the colors.
Same.
Do you know what a turban represents?
It's an honor to be here today to help celebrate the Sacramento premiere of this landmark film regarding the life and legacy of Guru Nanak. Here in California, his legacy of more than 100 years of Sikh contributions to our community. It has been my pleasure to work with the Sikhs.
I felt it touched all aspects of Guru Nanak's teachings and his life and legacy. And I think it's very instructional for the younger generation to learn, and then, like the gentleman was saying, to be confident of their Sikh identity. I think it helps with that as well.
What touched your heart about the film?
Especially with the music you put it in there, and the rabab, the guys with the rabab and all that, everything was so
all
good.
for the documentaries then.
Yeah, it was very good documentary.
You had the women's rights or?
Yes, especially, that also touched my heart as a woman. It was a very good movie, and I enjoyed it. Every single thing in that movie was so good about how Guru Nanak Dev Ji uplift women. And I wish we have, as a Sikh people, we come up with more movies about Guru Gobind Singh Ji and Char Sahibzade and everything. Thank you so much for putting this together, and I wanted to congratulate the team who put so much effort to bring this to our community, to Sikh community.
It has been a blessing, and I really hope that people from all kinds of communities can really hear this message and get it out there to the world, and it can definitely be an impact to bring everybody together. So thank you, Jerry, for producing this, and I really hope that this film touches everybody in the community.
this documentary, which is very, very impressive. And the best part of that is we have, invited a lot of different people who has really spoken very well about the Guru Nanak Sikhism, which is very, very, we are proud of it. It's a great job. They have done it.
For me, it was such a heartwarming experience to see such a well-done documentary about Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and I think, especially for the kids who are born here, we're from the Sikh faith, especially living in the United States, and just to know that our culture, our religion, our religious leader is being represented in such a heartwarming, honest documentary about who we really are. I think it really will help kids of today's generation reconnect to the Sikh religion and just give us something more that we can believe in. What really resonated with me was the eco-Sikh movement, and I think topics such as environment, they're so important to us, and then seeing people from our religion participate in a movement like that, I think this is just what we need to reconnect the younger generation back to our culture, back to our religion.
The documentary was really great. We really enjoyed watching it. I think it was made in a very nice way without being overly sensitive. It touched upon all the topics perfectly. It was very well done. Kudos to the team who made the documentary.
And I really liked it because I don't know, even though I am Sikh, I don't know much about our history and stuff like that. So it was a very nice intro to into Sikhism and understanding what we are all about. So I really enjoyed it.